Okay, so my car won't start this morning, but what I did was I tried pull the drill battery, and I connected negative to negative and positive to positive to the car. So I start already the car, but this is just in case if you guys need a emergency, you know. So I start the car already. I'm gonna disconnect it now. Should be good now. See, I put it here negative. So disconnect it now. My car is already started. I'm gonna disconnect this one. I just tiny touch it. Here, see. Just to give it some power. I'm gonna disconnect the battery now. Now good to go. The problem was, see, this is the battery I charged the car. It's just jump. The problem was, I leave on the battery. I mean, not the battery, the light. This LED light I leave on. I forgot to turn it off, but I fixed it already.